Hello and welcome back to another video, where today it's another Gimp video, where today I'm going to show you how to install more brushes. I was trying to draw some smoke and I realised with these brushes that they do give you, you can't really do very much. And there's a few of them which is, why would you want them? Like the Gimp face, or what are you actually going to draw out of peppers? Not very much. So I thought I would try and find some more brushes, and now I'm going to show you how to install your own brushes. So first thing you're going to do is find some brushes that you want to install. I like these ones, these are smoke and fire. I will, these are smoke and fire. There's 22 of these brushes, and I will have the link to this in the description. Just press download, and let that's install. And then there's also some I don't know, tree brushes, lightning, cobwebs even if you wanted them. So let's install, I don't know, a lightning brush as well. Just let them install. Both of these links will be in the description, and as you can see, this one has opened up. So what we're going to do is put this to one side, and then we're going to open up our brushes folder on Gimp. So you're going to have to work out where you installed Gimp to. So I know where I saved it. You're then going to want to go to Gimp 2. You're then going to want to go to Shared, Gimp again, 2.0, Brushes, and then we'll minimize this one for a second. You're going to want to drag across the ABR file. ABR is what the Gimp understands. And now if we quickly go back to Gimp and create a new canvas and refresh, you can see we now have our lightning brushes. These work with any colour, it doesn't have to be white, so if we make one quickly red, there we go, and press OK. That's easy, we just refreshed. Well, now if we look at the other library of brushes, these ones here, and our brushes folder, so there they are. Just move that to the side so we can see both parts of the screen. We're going to want to drag across the ABR file, because that will have them all in. But if you really wanted to, this one's decided to have a folder called Gimp Brushes, which has had them all as individual files. Don't really need to use that, you can just use ABR. Anything that says .abr will work. So if we quickly refresh this again, just give it a second to load. Sometimes it won't load straight away, so we might just need to reopen up Gimp. Oh no, it has. As you can see, we've now got even more. Different brushes do have different scales, so we might need to scale this down a bit. Okay, maybe increase it a bit more. So as you can see, that's how to install different coloured brushes. Really easy. Just going down through some files, finding a website, and then making sure you know where you installed Gimp. And that's the hardest part. Then once you have, there's a lot more things you can now do with Gimp. Once you've managed to install some more brushes. Now you can make smoke and fire and cobwebs. So all the links will be in the description. Thank you for listening. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.